Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am doing a complete reveal of the amazing Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. This is in the 2020 Stampin' Up! Sale-A-Bration brochure. That's right, you can earn this paper pack for free with a $50 order. So how amazing is that? Because this gold accented paper is just stunning. I absolutely love black and white as it is, and then with these gold accents and the little bees, it's just so gorgeous. I feel like this paper can be used for so many different occasions because of the floral images. The simple like line images or background pieces can be so elegant, and then of course the bumblebees are super cute as well. I think my favorite is probably this one here because it's got both flowers and bees, but I'm going to go through each sheet and you can see which one your favorite is and let me know in the comments below. Okay, so which sheet is your favorite? Are you loving this one too? Are you loving one of the other ones? Let me know in the comments what you think about this amazing designer series paper. And I sure hope it gave you a better idea of this paper by seeing it on a full spectrum rather than the little swatch that's in the catalog, because this paper is so gorgeous and the catalog just doesn't do it justice. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And I will be posting more of the designer series paper reveals from the occasions catalog as well as Sale-A-Bration 2020. So be sure to check those out as well. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.